How to set up the Bongo bot on Discord very easily from your smartphone. Now, it's going to be really easy to do. So the first thing you want to do is you actually just want to go in the server that you actually want to add this bot to. In this case, if I want to add it to this server right here, and I just want to add it to this channel, all I have to do is first you actually just want to go over to the internet and just type in Bongo bot Discord. Now, when you type that in, click on search. It's going to be the top.gg website. And you actually just want to click on the invite for this bot. Now, once you actually invite this bot, it's going to take a second to load, but you're going to log into your server or like your Discord account on here and actually select the server that you want to add this to. And since I'm adding it to this server right here, I'm just going to select the server. Just click on continue, and it's going to have permissions for all of these so that it can actually run properly. When we go back to our server, as you can see, it has now been added to the server. You made it Bongo. And to actually use this bot, all you have to do is you want to type in /bongo. And then as you can see, it'll give a bunch of example options of how you can actually use this bot. But I'm just going to type in /play song, and you can actually click on that option. Then you can type in any command you actually want. I'm just going to play a song, for example, and type in on and on by cartoon. And as you can see, it will actually take a second to load, but it will actually play this song for you, or actually give you a link to it so you can play this song like so. And it's pretty easy to use. You can literally just type in /bongo / anything, and you actually have a ton of requests and different ways you can actually use this bot.